Hello everyone, welcome to this Java tutorial for beginners. In this video, we will look at the most important concept of object-oriented programming called the classes and objects in Java. So without wasting time, let's get started. Now before we talk about classes and objects in Java, let us look at this image, right? So as you can see, this image represents a person, right? It has a single head, two hands, and then your two legs. So you can definitely say that this image represents a person, right? Similarly, if I move on to the next slide, you can see that this is a image of a car, right? So because it has wheels and then two handles to open the door, then your headlamps and your tail lamps, right? Now suppose that I ask you to identify this person. Will you be able to do so? So the answer will be no, because all normal human being will have the same features. They will have a head, two hands and two legs. So you cannot identify the person, right? And now if I present to you three persons, a girl named Lisa, a man named John, and a boy named Matthew, right? And if I ask you to identify the person, so you can easily tell the name, right? So you can say that this is John and she is Lisa, right? So you can say that this is the blueprint of a person, right? And this all person will have the same properties, right? So a person will have a name, gender, age, and so on. So now let us understand what is class in Java. So this white person image represents the logical template of a person, right? And in Java, this is called the class. And to your right, you have the actual person, right? So they are called the objects. So they are called objects because they exist in the real world, right? So you can say that the object belonging to a class will have same properties, right? So like in this example, we have this, object of a person, right? And they will have same properties like name, gender, right? And apart from that, they will also have some common behavior. Like they can walk on two legs, they can run and so on, right? Now consider this another example. So here we have this simple college application form and it has various fields to enter the data. We have the name field, gender field, date of birth, phone number and so on, right? So this template of application form is the class, right? So every student who want to get admission will have to fill the same application form, right? Now, when you actually fill the details and submit it, then it becomes the object. So now you will be considered for the admission, right? Because if you simply submit the empty form, then it will be of no value, right? So in order to be actually considered for the admission, you have to fill the information, right? Then only your admission process will be started. In our next video, we will see how to create class and objects in Java and also understand some more details about them. All right. So that is it for the today's video. And don't forget to subscribe for more Java programming videos like this. And I will see you until next time.